Hey everyone, today we're going to use PCem to get into Windows 98 and do some 98 retro gaming. We're going to do this on an AMD 500 megahertz system, so let's get started right away. We'll name this AMD. And we want to choose the Socket 7 FIC VIA AMD chip, 500 megahertz. 512 megs of RAM is good. Next, we'll choose the Voodoo3 3000, and then choose the option for fast VLB PCI. We use a Sound Blaster PCI 128, an IntelliMouse, and 1.4 megabyte floppy, and a 72x CD-ROM. Let's create the drive here. We'll just make that a 5 gig drive. Or 6 gig. All right, our drive is complete. We are ready to boot. And we just want to make sure we're set to boot to the floppy drive. We'll add our floppy image for 98 quick install, and we'll add our CD image as well. Detect our hard drive. And out of the BIOS we go. Now this should boot right into the quick install floppy disk. We'll hit any key to run that quick install. Okay, now we're in the Windows 98 quick install. We'll choose the fully patched micro installation. And we need to partition our hard drive. Make it bootable. And write the information. Okay, we're formatting our partition. We're on our way to a Windows 98 install relatively quickly here. All right, now that the installation is finished, we're going to need to eject our A drive floppy and hit reboot. Now we have a working version of Windows 98. Next up is installing drivers, chipset drivers, video drivers, and sound. I'll be sure to leave all the links in the description below so you can do this at home for yourself. To get the 3D Effects Voodoo tools to install, we'll need to install a browser. IE6 comes with the Windows 98 quick install. We'll just install that. Okay, next up we got to install the drivers for all this. So we'll load our image. And we'll start with chipset drivers. Next, we'll load up the sound drivers. Sound Blaster PCI 128. And coming into Windows, we should have sound now from our sound drivers. There we go. All right, last up, we're going to install our Voodoo drivers. Last, we're going to enable overclocking for the Voodoo card so we get a little more performance out of it under Windows 98. And now we have the overclocking panel. We'll just slide that slider over. Disable VSync and restart. Now just set your colors to true color 32-bit and your preferable resolution. All right, we now have our Voodoo card installed and we're ready to play games. Thanks so much for watching my PCM video. In order to make images, watch my image video, and in order to get the ROMs for PCM, go ahead and watch my 90-second setup. Thanks so much for watching. I love you people.